what was the first experience that you all went through individually when it came to like the first flush of love? You know, that first sort of romance in school when you're just like, oh my God, this is really getting my pulse racing. Like, what was that like?
Yeah, when was that? Like,
A while ago, I would imagine, but
yeah, I mean, hell yeah. I think I remember it. Also, at that age, every time you fall for someone, it's the same.
Yeah,
Like-
it's cute.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Shit. It's happening, Letters. And of course, I think school, we didn't have phones.
yeah.
No, we
So
didn't.
we weren't allowed also. I was in a boarding school.
Boarding school
so,
में तो बिल्कुल नहीं.
it was strictly like,
How did you communicate with like
so there were like,
whoever you were at that point in time thinking
well,
about?
there were like these spies, we used to call them, right?
Hmm.
Because they were like the girls who were masters' daughters, but they would be living on campus, but they would go to the, join whatever the school, and so they would become the letter sort of
So did we send
There is-
chittis?
full on. Yeah.
Cute.
The competitions. कि एक यहाँ से एक पेज भेजा तो वहां से 2 पेज आए तो
Ooh.
अब वो रहा है कि अरे यार तो फिर 3 पेज भेजे वो करते करते 40 तक पहुंच गया था और यहाँ मार्क्स नीचे जा रहे थे सो
आपके भी गए मार्क्स नीचे?
No, I
नहीं.
couldn't. I was
मूवी
like,
में तो गए.
movie mein, yeah, just one.
हाँ.
Someone had written that only a boy can bring you to the lowest point of life, 87 on 100.
Oh wow. Listen,
was
if somebody's
hilarious.
lowest is 87, it's not a bad life.
Yeah, she's a straight A student. No,
Yeah.
that's the thing
Same,
about
high
this
five.
character.
Yeah. Yeah, 87 would make me feel really bad in school also. Like
Really?
I was that pathetic like kid who cried when they didn't get 100 in maths. It
Oh,
was
God.
quite sad.
Oh
yeah
wow.
but that was
No, I like
Maths,
this
I understand.
ambition. It's nice.
No, but it's sad because there'll always be a couple of people in the class who might just manage to get like 100, and if they're getting 100 and you're getting a 98, that pinches.
Yeah, it does.
It does.
Do you remember
Wow.
your school life? Were you this ambitious of the 100 on 100?
No, no, but I always did well. Like, my grades were always good, so never any cause for alarm. But I never really tried. But I was mostly in the top 6 or maybe max 10 students.
That's a
of the
sweet
class.
spot.
Yeah.
ये अच्छा भी हो रहा है पर मजे भी आ रहे हैं. वो I think 100 वालों को तो लाइफ में ही कोई मजे नहीं आते.
Yeah,
but
that's
I-
true.
oh, okay
You had
Depends
fun
on
while
the
getting 100.
subject.
Ali.
no I mean maths maths
Same.
and physics was like a thing and then the rest I knew We would
So did
nahi-
you get 100 then?
close to hundreds like but that time 100 wasn't like a thing and my closest friend was a topper Ankit
Ah.
so I was constantly in his house so we knew everything and I think we were a little thoda some masti khor people
Hmm.
and I knew he's getting 100
You were
And I
in
knew I'm-
all boys boarding school?
yeah but this is before boarding also I'm talking like yeah of course all boys even that was all boys so suddenly coming to Bombay was like a little bit of a cultural shock like, अच्छा
लड़कियां भी हैं.
लड़कियां भी है, लड़के से बात भी कर सकते हैं.
अरे
चिट्ठी भी
but
भेजनी
Bombay में तो
पड़ेगी.
धोखा हो जाता है ना 11th 12th is called college
Yeah,
Yeah,
junior
that's
college.
so you come
Yeah.
into actual college but you realize यहाँ तो college शुरू हो चुका है 2 साल पहले
हाँ, no one's wearing uniform.
मैं वहाँ prefect खेल रहा हूँ 12th में नॉर्थ में यहाँ पे ये लोग खेल रहे हैं
खेल
असली दुनिया में
Yeah.
है ना ऐसा मतलब jeans and loose
Yeah, nobody
baggy
wears
and
uniforms ना
Yeah.
यहाँ पे. in
11th and
Bombay.
12th, nobody wears uniforms.
Yeah.
But what was your experience like? Give me like a little bit of a peek into your teenage.
The mark side or the romance side?
अरे दोनों यार.
Oh.
No, so I have seen both the worlds where I was the topper of school and where I was failing in every subject. Because till 10th, I think it is. I believe it's just general knowledge. It's like common sense. You don't have to study to score well.
No, you're
9th
just smart.
standard के बच्चों से पूछ के देखो ये सवाल.
Yeah, but then 11th, 12th was just a complete switch, and I did science. So
Sad.
yeah, my 10th was very eventful because I was managing studies, and that was my first romance. So that was very special. It was a junior who hated me for some reason. And then I was a school captain, so I used to make my own rules that, I will be the one who's monitoring the 9th graders. And
my God.
I used
ये
to go,
मैडम ने भी मूवी में यही किया है.
Manipulation है ये तो.
Astronomy के बहाने.
Ah, yeah.
and then मैं भी चिट्ठियाँ लिखता था because that specific person did not have a phone. So even I've gone through the lettering.
I remember typing out and taking a printout and like very spy kind of sending it to my crush so that they don't identify my
Handwriting.
handwriting and this doesn't
Nice.
spread as a rumor. And yeah, and the person I confessed was my best friend. So I was sharing everything else, but when that feeling started trickling in that, oh no, maybe I have feelings for him, I was like, I need to go incognito now and send him this printout. Yeah.
That's so cute. I love how when we experience like our first love, we want to believe it's our last.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Your
And
mind tells you it's your last also.
yeah. I think every time you fall in love, you want to believe it's your last.
Yeah.
Really?
No?
Yeah.
I would
For
think
love,
in general,
yeah.
you would at least want that intention to.
I think human beings have the capacity to really love a lot, right? But at that point, you're like,
यही है.
यही दुनिया है.
"Yeh duniya
Yeah.
hai."